In Java, the PAL function from the math class does exponentiation. First things first, if you do something like math.pal of 2, 3, the PAL function will output a double value, so instead of returning 8, it will return 8.0, meaning if you want the result to be an integer, you must cast it to be as such. You can do this as simply as putting the type you want to cast the value to in parentheses next to it, like I've done here. Next, we will deal with negative exponents. Math.pow of 2, negative 3 is the same as doing 1 divided by math.pow of 2, 3, meaning pow will return 1/8 or 0.125. Fractional exponents take nth roots. If we do math.pow of 8, 1.0 divided by 3, that will return 2.0. This is because the third root of 8 equals 2. Finally, a bit of a special case that you might not expect. In math class, you might have learned that anything to the 0th power equaled 1, except that 0 to the 0th power was undefined. Java doesn't do this. It just makes 0 to the 0th power equal 1. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.